Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see unused apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung A54 5G. Then you want to scroll down, locate and click on battery. Scroll down the battery page and click on background usage limit. Then to see your unused apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, then come here and click on deep sleeping apps. As you can see, I have about 22 applications that are currently in deep sleep. So these are all unused applications I have on my Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I can now go ahead, choose to uninstall the application. Then uninstall it, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to see unused apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.